Okay, let's look at how we carry over two columns sometimes and sometimes over one column depending on what our answers come to. With this first one, we're going to multiply all of these. 9 times 3 is 27. So we write the 7 down, we carry a 2 to the tens column. 3 times 3 is 9, plus that 2 there is 11. So we write a 1 and we carry a 1 to the next column. 3 times 8 is 24, plus that 1 is 25. Okay, so just to recap, we times that, we got 27, we wrote the 7 and we carried a 2 here. Then we times that and we got 9 and we added the 2 in, we got 11. So we wrote a 1 and we carried a 1 there. Then we times those ones, we got 24 and we added this one in, we got 25. Okay, let's just clean it up a bit so you can see things better. We're going to follow the same process now. Right. 5 times 3 is 15, so we write the 5, we carry the 1 to the next column. 3 times 2 is 6, plus this 1, 7. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, it's not so difficult. 4 times 4 is 16. We carry a 1 to the next column. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. 6 times 5, remember we're doing multiplication. 6 times 5 is 30. Write a 0, carry a 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, 9 times 2 is 18. We write the 8. We carry a 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. And 2 times 6 is 12. Last one on this screen. 7 times 6 is 42. We write the 2. We carry a 4. 1 times 6 or 6 times 1 is 6. Plus the 4 is 10. Write a 0. Carry a 1. 6 times 5 is 30, plus this one, 31. Okay, did you get that? It's really meant to be revision this. I just really want to remind you during this lockdown period how things work in class. Let's look at the next screen. The screen is where you're going to write these down. You're going to press pause and you're going to do all these multiplication problems on paper at home. And then once you've done you've got your solutions for all 6 problems. You're going to press play and then we will look at the answers together. I'll be waiting for you after you press play. Okay, so I assume you're back now. You've pressed play. Let's do them. 3 times 4 is 12. We write a 2. We carry a 1. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Write a 7. Carry a 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus that 1 there, 21. Okay. 5 times 4 is 20. We write the 0. We carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Write the 0. Carry a 1. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 1, 17. Just make my 7 a proper 7. Okay. 5 times 5 is 25. We write the 5. We carry a 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus those 2 there, 17. So we write a 7, we carry a 1. 5 times 9 is 45, plus that 1 is 46. Excuse my handwriting, I'm writing on a very slippery iPad screen. 6 times 4 is 24. We write the 4, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So we write a 0, we carry a 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus this one is 21. 9 times 2 is 18, we write an 8, we carry a 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus that 1 is 7. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21, we write a 1, we carry a 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So we put down a 1, we carry a 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Right, I hope you got all of those correct. I assume you did. If you didn't, it's not the end of the world. This comes with practice. You just have to pay special attention to your carries being added in once you've done your multiplication with the unit and the column above. And it'll come with practice. If you didn't get them all correct, I would suggest you start on the previous screen again and just practice until you get it right. And then we'll go on to the next section of multiplication, and I will see you there.